In this video, I will share with you how to add a glitch text effect in Hostinger website builder. This is a demonstration of the glitch text effect that I will share with you how to add to your website. And adding it to your website is simple. Just go to your Hostinger account, click on login, then click on websites and select websites list. Then you will see a list of all available websites in your account. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to distinguish between websites built using WordPress and other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look at these little icons next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is a Hostinger Builder website icon. Now click on Edit Website button next to your website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first I will add a blank section. Now to add this glitch text effect to your website, just click on this Add Element icon from this left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this element called Embed Code. Just like that. Now click on Enter Code, delete this existing one, and copy the code I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Paste it like that and hit Embed Code. Place it where you want it to be. You can make it wider or shorter like that. And now let's update my website to save this change. View site live. And this is how my text or my glitch text effect looks like live. Now to edit this text, it's simple. Just look for, just hit enter code again and look for or search using your text here. As you can see, go to the H1 line and update your text here. For example, Ben's glitch text effect and hit embed code again. This is my new or my updated text. Let's see it live. Ben's glitch text effect. And this is how to add a glitch text effect. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.